A very warm good morning to one and all. Welcome back to our English class. Today we'll learn AP word family. That means app sound. Ka app cap. The phonic sound of cursive letter C is k. Ka app cap. G app gap. The phonic sound of cursive letter G is g. G app gap. La app lap. The phonic sound of cursive letter L is L. La app lap. Ma app map. The phonic sound of cursive letter M is M. Ma app map. Na app nap. The phonic sound of cursive letter N is N. Na app nap. Ra app rap. The phonic sound of cursive letter R is R. Ra app rap. Z app zap. The phonic sound of cursive letter Z is Z. Z app zap. Let's learn more words from AP family. Ka app cap. G app gap. L app lap. M app map. N app nap. R app rap. S app sap. T app tap. Y app yap. Z app zap. Cl app clap. Fl app flap. Slap slap. Sn app snap. Tr app trap. R app rap. Thank you and have a nice day.